So this is the the product from today Go. Background image from the Google Earth and overlaying the multispectral Sentinel-2 false color composite about the wildfire. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for Earth observation. Probably you want to understand and process about Earth observation data with the open source dataset and geospatial application. You will start easily from the beginning to a certain level of lessons with the image processing and the data analysis. We will overview different type of Earth observation throughout this YouTube channel and then how to apply your region of interest with the various remote sensing data. So I just opened Google Earth. So this area was Kangaroo Island in the ocean. If we have the zoom in, zoom out, we wanted to just overlap is recently acquired from space on image. So how can you do that? So this is the Snap software, originally developed by European Space Agency. So all basic and advanced function of image processing function included. So if you want to find out the data, you can use the Sentinel-2 multispectral data, product type, so S2 MSI. MSI is the name of a sensor, and level 1 data, so select here. So we want to use the Sentinel-2 MSI from the ESA Sci-Hub. Usually the data around 700 megabyte, less than 1 gigabyte. So please don't unzip file. Just select and automatically Snap software to recognize the display like this. So once you open the data, so can see total number of 13 band described. So first band 2 is belonging to blue and the red and the near infrared band. So let's click the band first. One is a band 2. And then band 4. And the band 7. And just click the name of file, the right click, open RGB. So let's see, just choose the true color composite image for the display. So go to the window and tile evenly. So all four already open 4 window was moved equally. So band 2, so here is the ocean, and then this region was it's a forest region. So usually spectral signal of a water body compared to vegetation is opposite. So from visible ranges such as blue, green, red, water body reflectance signal relatively strong compared to the near infrared. However, in the case of spectral reflectance, spectrum of vegetation, so visible range as blue, green, red, relatively lower than near infrared spectrum, because regarding the vegetation area, so green and especially to near infrared is relatively higher. So this is the good example to understand what is the spectral reflectance variability from different type of Earth surface condition. So next one, I already did the resampling because from band 1 until band 13, they have a different spatial resolution data. So I already did resampling option. So just go raster and then geometric operation, then resampling, and then click. Because I wanted to show like the false color composition. So if we choose the band 7 from near infrared, the other one was green and the red. So regarding vegetation and forest monitoring, so false color composition, such as the near infrared red and the green wavelength is the useful. So I just wanted to how to useful information. Same thing, the time evenly, and I just wanted to see like the band 4 belonging to red and the near infrared. So bottom left and the right. So this one was a true color composite, like the same as a human eyes, blue, green, red. But the other one was a false color composite, such as near infrared and red and green. So you can see it's a highly saturated. So in the area was is a forest region. So clearly understand in the useful like the color enhancement technology and the know-how. This is the useful the know-how, the forestry vegetation monitoring from multispectral sensor. I can show like briefly what is the spatial resolution from different 13 band in the Sentinel-2 in the here. So last one I already did like a reprojection. So from the raw data, if you wanted to convert to other the file, you need a reprojection, just raster and then geometric operation. Click reprojection. I choose geometric latitude and longitude, WGS 34. From Sentinel-2 overlap to background in the Google Earth. So and then I did. So once you did, and then export others and Google Earth KMZ file. Other and Google Earth KMZ. And then you can save like KMZ format file about this one. So go to back to Google Earth. I already import, like just open the file, RGB, and click. So now we can see like what to compare, like the database from the Google Earth and recently data from the ESA satellite. So I just quickly look at. So here is a very convenient on the menu bar in this, so showing the ruler, and click the polygon, and maybe you can click here was calculate. So how was the damage placed in the to protect and contribute to research purpose. So what about the hectare, and maybe around this region is around over 4,000 hectare. Also can the calculate was a perimeter to calculate it quickly. So in the real world, usually they use the acre or hectare or square kilometer. Yeah, that's it.